Good evening, students.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah. We'll do some exercise numericals today. So calculate the limits of these functions. What is the first one answer? Straight away you can substitute limit
Six,
extend
sir.
x plus 3 6. Second one, what is the answer for second one?
5 minus 22 by 7.
How much? Limit extends to pi x minus 22 by 7. You can say pi minus 22 by 7. You can keep like this. Next one, limit r tends to 1 pi r square.
5, sir.
Pi into 1 square is 5. So direct substitutions. Fourth question, limit x tends to 4, 4x plus 3 divided by x minus 2. 4 into 4 plus 3 divided by 4 minus 2. So the answer is 16 plus 3 by 2, 19 by 2. Will you agree?
Yes, sir.
Here, so first straight away substitute. From there, if it is indeterminate form, then only you have to proceed further. Fifth question, limit x tends to minus 1, x power 10 plus x power 5 plus 1 divided by x minus 1. So what is the answer? Minus 1 whole power 10 plus minus 1 whole power 5 plus 1 divided by minus 1 minus 1. What is the final answer? 1 minus 1 plus 1 divided by minus 2 minus 1 1 cancel. The answer is minus 1 by 2. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Next one, sixth one. Limit extends to 0, x plus 1 whole power 5 minus 1 divided by x. If I am substituting directly, what you will get? Students, if I am substituting directly, what I will get? 1 minus 1 by 0. The answer is 0 by 0 indeterminate form. So how to handle this question? For this, limit extends to 0, x plus 1 whole power 5 minus 1 divided by x can be written as x plus 1 minus 1. Assume x plus 1 is equal to y. So if x tends to 0, x plus 1 tends to 1. That is y tends to 1. X plus 1 tends to 1 or y tends to 1. So limit y tends to 1. Y power 5 minus 1 power 5 by y minus 1. It's look like which formula? Limit x tends to a, x power n minus a power n by x minus a, which is equal to n into a power n minus 1. Your n is 5, a is 1 power 5 minus 1. So final answer is y. Carefully look into the question. Anyone having any doubt, please let me know. Students, please. Basic substitution. Shall I move to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Seventh one. Limit x tends to 2, 3x square minus x minus 10 divided by x square minus 4. If I am substituting directly, 3 into 2 square minus 2 minus 16 divided by 2 square minus 4. What is the answer you are getting? This is minus 10, 12 minus 12 divided by 4 minus 4. The answer is 0 by 0 indeterminate form. So we have to go for simplification of the expression. So how we will do this question? How the factors of the numerator, students? 3x square minus x minus 10 divided by x square minus 4. 3x square minus x minus 10 can be written as, what are the factors? 3x square minus 6x plus 5x minus 10. This will be 3x if I am taking common, x minus 2 plus 5 taking common, x minus 2. So this will be x minus 2 into 3x plus 5 is the factors of the numerator. When it comes to denominator factors, x square minus 4, this can be written as x minus 2 into x plus 2 using the formula of a square minus b square. Limit x tends to 2, x minus 2 into 3x plus 5 divided by x minus 2 into x plus 2. X minus 2 cancel. Now if I am applying the limit, 3 into 2 plus 5 by 2 plus 2. So 6 plus 5 by 4. The answer is 11 by 4. This is the final answer. Please let me know anyone having any doubt in this question before going to the next question. Students, please respond. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Try the next question. What is the answer? Please let me know. What is the answer for next question? It's a direct substitution only. Next question also. Question number 9. Limit x tends to 0, ax plus b by cx plus 1. So the answer is a into 0 plus b divided by c into 0 plus 1. So b by 1, which is b. 10th question. Limit z tends to 1.
Sir, eighth one.
Yeah, sorry. 8th question. Limit x tends to 3. X power 4 minus 81 divided by 2x square minus 5x minus 3. If I am substituting straight away, 3 power 4 minus 81 divided by 2 into 3 whole square minus 5 into 3 minus 3. This will be 81 minus 81 divided by 18 minus 15 minus 3, which is equal to 0 by 0 indeterminate form. So I'm taking the factors of x power 4 minus 81 factors. This can be written as x power 4 minus 3 power 4. This is x square whole square minus 3 square whole square. X square plus 9, x square minus 9. Again, this can be written as x square plus 9 into x plus 3 into x minus 3. And when it comes to denominator, 2x square minus 5x minus 3. So how we can split here? Two x square minus 6x plus x minus 3. If I'm taking 2x common, x minus 3. If I'm taking minus 1 common, if I'm taking plus 1 common, x minus 3. So this will be 2x plus 1 into x minus 3. 2x into x is 2x square minus 6x plus x minus 3. So 2x square minus 5x minus 3. If I'm substituting these numerator values and denominator values in the given limit function, limit x tends to 0, the numerator is x square plus 9 into x plus 3 into x minus 3 divided by 2x plus 1 into x minus 3, x minus 3, x minus 3 cancel. Now if I'm substituting 9, 3 divided by 1. No, 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. So x tends to 3. Sorry, students. So x tends to 3. So 9 plus 9. Here 3 plus 3. This will be 2 into 3 plus 1. So 18 into 6 divided by 7. What is the 18 into 6 value? What is the value of 18 into 6?
108 by 7.
60 plus 48, 108. 108 by 7. So the given answer, the given question limit is 108 by 7. That's it. You can go to the next one.
Yes, sir.
Tenth question. Limit z tends to 1. Z power 1 by 3 minus 1 by z power 1 by 6 minus 1. So just to understand this, I am separating the limits first. Try to remember this formula. Limit x tends to a, x power n minus a power n by x minus a, which is equal to n into a power n minus 1. So try to convert in that format. So divide. Yes. Anybody is asking anything? Divide both numerator and denominator with z minus 1. Limit z tends to 1. Z power 1 by 3 minus 1 by z minus 1 divided by z power 1 by 6 minus 1 by z minus 1. So this separately, if I am writing a limits for this, limit z tends to 1, z power 1 by 3 minus 1 power 1 by 3 is 1 divided by z minus 1 divided by limit z tends to 1, z power 1 by 6 minus 1 power 1 by 6 divided by z minus 1. The numerator will come wherever n is 1 by 3, a is 1. So 1 by 3 into 1 power 1 by 3 minus 1 divided by 1 by 6 into 1 power 1 by 6 minus 1. So after all deductions, what is your final answer? Students, please. 1 power anything is, it makes 1. This will be 1 by 3 by 1 by 6 into 1 power minus 2 by 3 divided by 1 power minus 5 by 3. So which will give 6 by 3 into 1, 3 2 times. So the answer is limit z tends to 1, z power 1 by 3 minus 1 by z power 1 by 6 minus 1 will give 2. Hope you are clear what I wrote the answer here. Anyone having any doubt in this question before proceeding to the next question? Students, please.
Clear, sir.
Yeah. Eleventh one, limit x tends to 1, ax square plus bx plus c divided by cx square plus bx plus a. If I am substituting straight away limit, what I will get? Since a plus b plus c is not equal to 0. So if it is not equal to 0, if I am substituting straight away, I will get a plus b plus c divided by c plus b plus a, and the whole sum is not equal to 0, equal to some other value. So answer is 1. Are you clear? So we'll move to the next question.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 12th one, limit x tends to minus 2, 1 by x plus 1 by 2 divided by x plus 2. This will be 1 by minus 2 plus 1 by plus 2 divided by minus 2 plus 2, where I am getting 0 by 0. So indeterminate form. So how we can do this question? Limit x tends to minus 2. If I am taking LCM in the numerator, this will be 2x. It will be 2 plus x. It's going to be written as limit x tends to minus 2. X plus 2 divided by 2x into x plus 2. 2x plus 2, x plus 2 is cancelled. So the answer is 1 by 2 into minus 2 minus 1 by 4 is the answer. Same way, can you solve the question number 13, students? Is it possible? Anyone can solve the question number 13 with the help of the formula given? The clue is limit theta tends to 0, sine theta by theta is equal to 1. With the help of this, we can able to solve both the 13 and 14. Right? I'm giving 2-3 minutes time. Anyone got the answer for question number 13? Students? Anyone got the answer? A by B. A by B is the right answer for 13th one. Yeah. So 13th one, the given is limit x tends to 0, sine ax by bx. So I need sine theta by theta format. So multiply and divide with a. So I will get equation like this. Limit x tends to 0, sine ax divided by b into x into a by a. So this b I am taking here and a I am adding here. This will be limit x tends to 0, sine ax by ax into a by b. So where a by b is constant, I am taking a by b is out. My final question will remain like this. If x tends to 0, ax tends to 0 only. That means if I am multiplying both sides with a, you will get ax tends to also 0. So a by b limit ax tends to 0, sine ax by ax. From this, the given formula sine theta by theta where theta tends to 0 is 1. So a by b into 1. So the answer is a by b. Since we can use the formula limit theta tends to 0, sine theta by theta is equal to 1. Same as you can able to try, you can try question number 14 also. What is the answer for question number 14? Anyone got the answer for question number 14? Question number 14 is also a by b. Let's see how it will come a by b. Question number 14. So whenever you are getting the trigonometric ratios, you can follow this strategy. So make it somehow its denominator should be the how much angle it is having. Limit x tends to 0, sine ax. I'm multiplying and dividing with ax. And bx also, I am multiplying with bx and dividing with bx. So this will be x cancel, a by b into limit x tends to 0, sine ax by ax divided by limit x tends to 0, sine bx by bx. If x tends to 0, ax also tends to 0, bx also tends to 0. This one, a by b, limit ax tends to 0, sine ax by ax divided by limit bx tends to 0, sine bx by bx. So answer is a by b into 1 by 1. So final answer is a by b. It's very simple. Only the thing is you have to understand the logic how I can make the question into required formula. We are having very few formulas here. So we are converting if it is indeterminate form, any one formula we are converting. So after that we are applying the direct limit. Shall I go for the next question? Students? Can we move to the next one?
Yes, sir.
15th question also same. Limit x tends to pi sin pi minus x divided by pi into pi minus x. So 1 by pi is constant. I'm taking 1 by pi out. Limit x tends to pi sin pi minus x divided by pi minus x. If I'm substituting straight away, it is coming 0 by 0, sin 0 by 0, and it is 0 by 0. So here I'm applying the formula. I'm making this also pi minus x. How I can make this is pi minus x. X tends to pi. How I can make this is pi minus x, students? If I'm taking pi this side, x minus pi tends to 0. So to understand, x tends to pi, x minus pi tends to 0. This can be written as sine of x minus pi divided by, if I'm taking minus common, x minus pi. So this minus minus cancel. Now 1 by pi, limit x minus pi tends to 0. Sine of x minus pi by x minus pi. It is looking like limit theta tends to 0, sine theta by theta, which is the value of this whole expression is 1. Since limit theta tends to 0, sine theta by theta is equal to 1. From here, the answer can be written as 1 by pi. Anyone having any doubt in this question, please let me know, students, how I applied the formula. Is it clear? Shall I move to the next one? Students, I can move to the next one.
Yes, sir.
Question number 16. Limit x tends to 0 cos x by pi minus x. I'm substituting straight away. Cos 0 by pi minus 0. The answer is 1 by pi. It's a determinate form. So answer is 1 by pi. There is no logic. There is no inner calculation here. Straight away substitution is giving the answer in this case. 17th question. Limit x tends to 0 cos 2x minus 1 by cos x minus 1. This can be written as, I'm substituting directly here, cos 0 minus 1 by cos 0 minus 1. It is 1 minus 1 by 1 minus 1. Answer is 0 by 0, indeterminate form. So how to solve this question? Is there any formula which is related to cos? Are we having any formula related to cos? Anyone can able to recollect any formula related to cos? Students, are we having any formula related to cos?
Sir, 1 minus cos x by x equals 0.
1 minus
Cos x by x equal to 0.
we know limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x by x. So how to bring it? So how to bring it in this format? So I'm multiplying numerator and denominator with minus 1. So I will get 1 minus cos 2x by 1 minus cos x. And numerator I'm multiplying with 2x. Limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2x into 2x. Same as 1 minus cos x divided by x into x. Now, if x tends to 0, 2x tends to 0. If I am separating the limits, the numerator limit 2x tends to 0, 1 minus cos 2x by 2x into 2x divided by limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x by x into x, where x is cancelled here. Otherwise, I will get indeterminate form. It will come, if I am applying the limit now, 1 into 2 by 1 into 1. So what is the answer you are getting finally? 17th question. What is the answer? Sorry, guys. What is this value? Limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x by x is 0 only now. This is 0.
Yes, sir.
In this case, what I will get? 0 by 0. Here also I am getting 0 by 0. How will proceed to solve this question, students? How to proceed to solve this question? So even if I am applying the formula also, I am getting 0. So what you have to do? You have to apply the pure trigonometric ratios formula. Limit x tends to 0. This is 1 minus cos 2x by 1 minus cos x. Convert everything into sign. What is the 1 minus cos 2x formula? Limit x tends to 0 to sine square x divided by, this is 2 sine square x by 2, because half angle. This is 2x, half angle is x half angle is x by 2. So now 2 is cancelled. And limit x tends to 0. This is sine x by 2 whole square. So here I can take limit inside. Limit x tends to 0, sine x by x into x divided by sine x by 2 divided by x by 2 into x by 2 whole square. And x cancel. This will be 2. Limit x tends to 0, sine x by x divided by limit x by tends to 0, sine x by 2 by x by 2 whole square. So this will be 2 into 1 by 1 whole square. The answer is 4. This is the answer. You have to show indeterminate form and you have to go, because if you are applying the formula straight away, you'll get. Or in the beginning itself, if you apply the formula, without applying the formula also, you'll get the indeterminate form and you can come here. It looks like formula, but formula will not work here. Is it clear? Remember the next one, students?
Yes, sir.
Eighteenth question. Limit x tends to 0. Ax plus x cos x divided by b sin x. Ax plus x cos x by b sin x. When I'm substituting straight away, this will become 0 plus 0 into 1 divided by b into 0. The answer is 0 by 0 indeterminate form. So how to solve this one? I'm splitting this one. Limit x tends to 0. I'm splitting into two ratios. Ax by b sin x plus x cos x by b sin x. Limit x tends to 0. This can be written as a by b into 1 by sin x by x plus, this can be written as 1 by b into x by tan x. Understood how it is tan x, students? Or 1 by, instead of straight way, sin x by x cos x. And now I am applying the limit separately. Limit extends to 0, a by b, 1 by sin x by x plus 1 by b into limit extends to 0, 1 by tan x by x. Now it is simple. The first one answer is a by b plus 1 by b. A by b into 1 by 1 plus 1 by b into 1 by 1. Since limit extends to 0, sin x by x is 1. Same way, limit extends to 0, tan x by x is equal to 1. A by b plus 1 by b can be written as a plus 1 by b. So the given limit extends to 0, ax plus x cos x divided by b sin x will be equal to a plus 1 by b. Anyone having any doubt in this? Students, please respond. Shall I move to the next one? Limit extends to 0, x secant x. So limit extends to 0. If I am substituting directly limit or x by cos x, substitute 0 by cos 0, that is 0 by 1, answer is 0. So the final answer is limit extends to 0, x secant x is 0. This is the answer. Anyone having any doubt in this question? 0 by 1 is not an indeterminate form, it's a determinate form only. 20th question. Limit extends to 0, sin ax plus bx divided by ax plus sin bx, which can be written as 0 by 0 if I am substituting directly. 0 plus 0 by 0 plus 0, which is 0 by 0 indeterminate form. How to do this question? Students, please respond. Number 20, how you can do?
Sir, we can multiply and divide it by ax and we can cancel out, sir.
Multiply and divide with ax.
In the numerator, and for the denominator, we can multiply and divide by bx. So that we'll get a simplified answer, sir.
Now you are saying divide with ax or abx. Ax or abx?
Sir, ax, sir.
Both numerator and denominator.
No, sir, numerator with ax, sir, so that sin ax by ax gets cancelled. And in denominator, we can do with bx.
Divide and multiply. Divide and multiply with ax to numerator. Same division and multiplication with bx to denominator. This is what you are saying?
Yes, sir.
Limit extends to 0, sin ax plus bx divided by ax into ax divided by sin of, ax plus sin bx divided by bx into bx. So x cancel, a by b if I am taking out, finally I will get limit extends to 0, sin ax by ax plus b by a divided by a by b plus sin bx by bx.
Yes, sir. Now we'll get the answer as 1.
Answer is
1, sir.
1. If I'm substituting the limit, what you will get? A by b, numerator limit ax tends to 0, sin ax by ax plus b by a divided by limit bx tends to 0, because x tends to 0, bx also tends to 0, a by b plus sin bx by bx. If I am applying the limit a by b into 1 plus b by a divided by a by b plus 1. So a by b into a plus b by a divided by a plus b divided by b. A plus b cancel. This a cancel, b cancel. Answer is 1. So final answer is 1. Or numerator and denominator divide with abx and find it. That is also possible answers. Instead of doing separately, you can do with abx. Numerator and denominator, if you are dividing with a into b into x, that also will give the final answer. Instead of doing it separately, you can do both the numerator and denominator divide with abx. That also will give the answer. Is it clear? Shall I move to the next one? Question number 21. Limit x tends to 0, cosecant x minus cot x. What is the answer, students? Anyone having? If I'm substituting directly, what I will get?
Infinity minus infinity, sir.
Which is indeterminate form, correct?
Yes, sir.
So how to deal this question? Limit
Sir,
x,
we can convert the cosecant to 1 minus sine and cot to minus cos by sine.
yes. So the LCM is limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x by sin x. Divide both the numerator and denominator with x. So limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x by x divided by limit x tends to 0, sin x by x. This is 0 by 1. Answer is 0. Anyone having any doubt in this question, students? You have to write why it is 0. We already know formulas. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is equal to 1. Limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x by x is equal to 0. So with the help of these two formulas, I am substituting here where my final answer is 0. The first one. Can move to the 22nd one. Can move to the 22nd.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can you show the before slide?
This one.
Sir, how is 1 minus cos x by x is 0, sir?
1 minus.
Cos x by x.
You want how it is 0.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x by x. If I am substituting 1 minus 1 by 0, so answer is 0 by 0 indeterminate form. we know 1 minus cos 2 theta. Like you take cos 2 theta is equals cos square theta minus sin square theta, or can be written as 2 cos square theta minus 1, or 1 minus 2 sin square theta. From here, 1 minus cos x can be written as 2 sin square x by 2. Will you agree? This trigonometric formula half angles. Is it clear this step what I wrote?
Yes, sir.
From here, from this step only. 2 sin square theta is 1 minus cos 2 theta. If theta is half, in place of theta substitute x by 2. Then you will get this expression. So 1 minus cos x can be written as 2 sin square x by 2. So limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2 divided by x. Divided by x. So this 2 I am taking out. Limit x tends to 0. This is sin square x by 2 divided by x. I am multiplying with the 2 and dividing with the 2. This 2 cancel. So I'm getting limit x tends to 0. Sin x by 2 divided by x by 2 into sin x by 2. So according to algebra of limits, I can split the limits into two forms. Limit x tends to 0, x by 2 tends to 0, sin x by 2 divided by x by 2 into limit x by 2 tends to 0, sin x by 2. This answer is 1. This answer is 0. The final answer is 0. Hope you are clear now.
Okay.
Is it clear? So
Yes,
that
sir.
formula, that expression together, we can use as a formula. Anywhere if you are getting 1 minus cos x by x, where x tends to 0, the answer is 0. Please solve this question. 22nd. Limit x tends to pi by 2. Tan 2x divided by x minus pi by 2. How will do this question? Anyone? Please. If x tends to pi by 2, 2x tends to pi, 2x minus pi tends to 0. So limit 2x minus pi tends to 0. Numerator is tan 2x divided by, if I am taking LCM, 2x minus pi by 2. This can be written as limit 2x minus pi tends to 0 to tan 2x by 2x minus pi. So how to deal, how you will get tan 2x can be written as tan of pi minus. Using the trigonometric ratio, how you will write? Students, tan theta can be written as, what is the value of minus tan of pi minus theta? What is the value of tan of minus tan of pi minus theta? Students, are you clear what I'm asking you? This will be second quadrant. Second quadrant tan is negative. Pi, because of pi, tan will become a tan theta. So the answer is tan theta. So tan 2x can be written as limit 2x minus pi tends to 0. 2 times using this tan theta format, this can be written as minus tan pi minus 2x divided by 2x minus pi. If I'm entering this pi inside, minus tan theta can be written as tan of minus theta. So limit 2x minus pi, 2x minus pi tends to 0 to tan 2x minus pi by 2x, whose answer is 2 into 1. Final answer is 2. The final answer is 2. Is it clear how I got the final answer? Anyone having any doubts? So basic knowledge of trigonometry is important here when I am dealing with the certain trigonometric expressions. Hope you are clear what I am saying.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We'll do one more question and rest of the questions, some logarithmic questions also we'll discuss in tomorrow class. So 23. Find the limit extends to 0 f of x, limit extends to 1 f of x, where f of x is given. Limit extends to 0 f of x, where f of x is x less than or equal to 0 for 2x plus 3, x greater than 0, 3 of x plus 1. So at 0, the function is having piecewise. At 0, the function is having piecewise. So left side of the 0, it is behaving with one expression. Right side of the 0, it is behaving with a different expression. So for this, by seeing the question, we have to get one clarity whether the limit existing or not. We have to verify the existence of the limit. Only LHL is equal to RHL. So take limit extends to 0 minus f of x. If it is 0 minus means less than 0, if f of x is less than 0, f of x will be 2x plus 3. Limit extends to 0 minus 2x plus 3. If I am substituting 2 of 0 plus 3, answer is 3. Same as limit extends to 0 plus f of x. If it is 0 plus greater than 0, which my expression is 3 of x plus 1. Limit extends to 0 plus 3 of x plus 1. If I am substituting 0, 3 of 0 plus 1, the answer is 3. Limit extends to 0 or f of 0, if x is equal to 0, f of 0 can be written as 2 of 0 plus 3, answer is 3. So limit extends to 0, f of x is equal to 3 from above. There existence of the limit. Because of the piecewise function only we are doing this verification. Otherwise, right away you can substitute, you can find, because it is having two different functions at 0, less than 0. When it is approaching 0, it is having two different expressions. So here we are following the left hand limit. Just we are verifying existence of the limit at that point. But when I am taking 1, the 1 minus or 1 plus is always greater than 0. So no need to think. So limit extends to 1 f of x. Whether it is 1 plus, since 1 plus or 1 minus or at 1, all are greater than 0. So limit extends to 1 f of x, where x is greater than 1 is 3 times of x plus 1, which will be 3 into 1 plus 1, 3 into 2. The answer is 6. So limit extends to 0, f of x is equal to 3. Limit extends to 0, 1, f of x is equal to 6. This is how we can calculate at boundary values. If it is a boundary values, we have to see the existence of the limit. If it is not boundary values, straight away you can take the particular linear function and we can able to substitute. Again, when tan comes, you have to check whether it is boundary values or not. At 45 degrees of tan, it is not boundary, but at 90 degrees, it is a boundary value. So you have to understand a little bit where the function is not defined, where the function is defining. From the functions concept, if you keep it in mind, these questions we feel very easy. Clear, students?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we'll meet in the next class tomorrow. Rest of the questions, and along with these questions, some other logarithmic and exponential functions limits also we'll discuss. If logarithmic functions comes, exponential functions comes, how to deal those kind of functions, we'll discuss, and we will wind up this chapter. So next semester we are having the derivatives, continuation of this chapter. Yeah, we'll meet in the next class. Bye everyone. Anyone having any doubts, please.
Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, will you be continuing the derivatives or will you be moving on?
We'll
with
move
static?
to the statistics. The plan is we will move to the statistics. 1 week we will have exams.
Okay, sir.
Center with the SAR is planning some examination. Might be 2 class tests and 1 final exam that I don't know. I will get back to you. What is the SAR plan? Because all subjects together, they're planning 11th exams. After the exams, we will continue with the second term portions. So in second term portion, first I will complete this calculus and statistics, and I will go back to the geometry or other parts. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank
Yeah. Bye.